Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of our van build series. In this video, I'll talk about making the sunscreens. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Also, please give a thumbs up if you like my videos. And please add a comment, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I created a template using paper. I could have used butcher paper, but here I used whatever I had on hand. I then used a pencil to trace out the outline of the door. I then transferred this to a sheet of cardboard. I found the cardboard I first selected was too thick, so I chose a thinner piece which was much easier. Once I was happy with the fit, I used the template to cut out the fabric. So I used the bubble wrap, the bubble foil. You often see these used as vapor barriers or for insulation in a van. Problem with this stuff, you can't sew directly through it, otherwise it just splits along this where you're sewing the seam. So what I need to do to join the two pieces of fabric together, I've got black fabric on the other side, I put some webbing, and then I was able to sew through this, through both sides, and that hold the two pieces of material together. Also, I've created these little pockets. It's got a magnet inside, and I use that to stick it to the door frame of the van. To stick it in place, it's just a matter of using the magnets to the door frame. And the magnets just stick, hold it in place. For the front windscreen, there's no metal for me to use magnets, so I had to put Velcro. So on the back of the visor, I glued a piece of Velcro on there. Initially I used the self-adhesive Velcro, but when the van got hot, I just peel off. It's useless. So I tried various glues, most of them didn't work. What I end up using on here is liquid nails. It's held up for a while, but I think I'm going to have to re-stick it down at some point. It's starting to come off. For the visors, what I do is push it up, put the visor down, and it just sticks on. I've got another piece of Velcro behind the mirror here, and that holds it in place there, and the other side is just kept on with the visor as well. So with all of them on, apart from the little gaps I have here and there, it's pretty good in keeping most of the light out. But its biggest usefulness is more about keeping the heat out. It still gets a bit warm in here with them on, but it's dramatically a lot better with them on than not. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave in the comments section and I'll get back to you. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You should also check out our previous videos. In the next video, I'll demonstrate the bike rack. Bye for now.